As you see, we're removing the seats, thanks to my sister and Mark. And to get this thing going.
More than one by one. We need another one. What?
It won't slide forward no more. From here to back row up to there. Just to get, another board down for support this
Going
way.
this way, you mean? You want a one by one?
Hold that right there.
Is that one you need one?
Yeah.
Talk to me? Kinda? Hold on.
Okay. We got the seats out. Now I just need to put the flooring on this side. Cut the legs off of my bed and pack everything back up. Okay, we're getting it started. Pre-floor. And that, so I'm going to measure it out, put some support under it, and get going. Got these seats out and ready to go. Just need to clean them out. And that. Things are going good, but slow. We'll get it done, and once I get everything done, I'll give you a show.
Oh, I don't know. This looks as thick as that.
Okay,
Be half inch
this
apart.
is what I got so far. Here would be one. Storage for the back. And now we're working on that hole. And then we're gonna go to cutting these legs down. So it drops about 6 inches.
Cobalt tools.
Okay, I want to give a shout out to my sister. And Mark, what's the name of you guys' company?
Steel Tree.
Say that again, please.
Steel Tree.
Steel Tree. I want to give them a shout out. They helped me
Get his bed in.
get my seats out, bed in, and my storage for underneath.
Yeah, sure help.
Thank you. Okay, let's do a quick tour of my van. Here's my bed. Power supply charging my camera batteries. Storage. Another one, but I can't actually get to that one unless I move the bed. We took out the seats. Same thing here. Another little storage container. But I have to lift the bed up for that. Walk over here. Cooler. My sister loaned me it. Light for at night. Fan does pretty good. Only uses 25% of the battery. cooler I'm borrowing from my sister. But when I get one, I'm going to get one without wheels. Maybe a little bit narrower. And then under this, where the two stowaway seats go, there's more storage. That's what I got done so far. I'm going to take off hopefully Friday and travel. I might stop and visit my friend in South Carolina first, but who knows?